ROS Jazzy, the shiny new distribution, has just hit the scene. But if you look around, beginners are still advised to get started with ROS Humble. And what about ROS Iron? It's just comfortably sitting between the two. Similarly, Gazebo Classic, a staple in robotics simulation, is reaching its end of life. The future belongs to Gazebo Harmonic with its impressive features and stunning demos. But for a beginner, it's such daunting whether to start with Gazebo Classic or jump directly to Gazebo Harmonic. And to top it all, even entry-level job descriptions are asking for hardware experience. In such a scenario, it's such challenging for a beginner to even get started. And from where will a beginner understand what sort of hardware experience should one start with? And to answer all these questions, I'm conducting a live masterclass and an AMA where I'll address these questions like how to get started with robotics, how to get relevant experience in hardware even though you're a beginner, and what's the right way to learn and implement ROS. So make sure you register, links are in my bio, and I'll see you in the masterclass.